Video generation is no longer working on Meta AI. A lot of people still go there and try to make videos, but nothing happens. Here is the good news. Meta did not remove this feature. They moved it to a new tool called Vibes AI. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to use it properly. This setup gives you a free AI video generator that covers both horizontal and vertical videos, all for free with no credits and no subscriptions. I even found a completely legal way to download every video without a watermark. But you need to follow every step carefully, or it won't work properly. New AI tools come out every week, so please click like and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next update. Let's start with the problem. Open Meta AI and look for an option to create a video. You won't find one. All you see here is a single text box where you can type a prompt along with some example cards below it. There is no video option anywhere on this page. Right now, Meta AI does not support video generation here. That feature has moved to Vibes AI, which will open in a moment. So first, let me show you how it works. Type your prompt into the box and click the arrow to generate. Look at that. The image quality is really good. Download it using the download icon. Now for video, open Vibes AI. This is where Meta moved video generation. Vibes AI is a completely free, unlimited AI video generator. It is a separate tool, but it is made by Meta, the same company behind Meta AI. Click Login. Since you're already logged into Meta AI, Vibes AI will automatically sign you in with the same account. Click Create New. You will see three options here: video, image, and lip sync. Select video. First, I'll show you how to generate a video using text. Add your prompt, click Advanced, and set the resolution to 720p so the video looks sharp and clear. Submit it, and Vibes AI gives you 4 different versions of the video. Video generation here is unlimited, so you can do this as many times as you want. The quality is really good, but there's a problem. Even though we included 16:9 in our prompt earlier, the video is still generated in vertical format. The aspect ratio setting isn't working properly right now, but there's a simple way to fix this. Go back to Meta AI and start a new chat. Type your prompt into the box again, but this time, add 16:9 at the end of it. This step is very important. Do that, and after a few seconds, Meta AI gives you a proper horizontal image. This becomes the base image for our horizontal AI video. This is exactly why we created this image on Meta AI instead of Vibes AI. Vibes AI cannot generate a horizontal image no matter what you type. It always comes out vertical. Also, every image created on Vibes AI gets a Meta AI watermark on it. Images made directly on Meta AI never have a watermark, not even after you download them. So this one step fixes 2 problems at once. Look at how good this image quality is. Download it using the download icon. We are going to use this exact image inside Vibes AI. Head back to Vibes AI, select video again, and go to Start End Frame. Click Upload, and add the horizontal image you just made. Select it once it is uploaded. On the right side, it is not vertical. It is still in 16:9 format. Click Add to Video. Add your prompt, keep the resolution at 720p in advanced, and submit. The result is a clean 5-second video, and this time it is correctly horizontal. Right here, you will also see 2 ways to make the video longer: auto extend and manual extend. With manual extend, you write your own prompt to guide exactly what happens next. But for this video, I will show you how to use auto extend. Click auto extend, and it uses the last frame of the video to continue the motion naturally. Once it finishes extending, your 5-second clip is now 9 seconds long. You can extend the same video again. Just click auto extend one more time. Now it becomes 13 seconds. Extend it again for 17 seconds, then 21 seconds, and finally 24 seconds. But you cannot extend it further than that. If you try again, you will get an error, as 24 seconds is the maximum limit. There is still one more problem: the watermark on your downloaded video. If you download it the normal way using the top button, it will always have a watermark. Here is a completely legal way to remove it. Right-click on the video and select Open Video in New tab. The video that opens in the new tab has no watermark at all. Click the 3 dots on that video and click Download. Now you have a clean video file with no watermark. I have generated a large number of videos using this exact method, and I haven't faced any limits or errors. If you ever see an error, it is usually just because of high server traffic. Simply refresh the page and it will work again. That is the full process. Meta AI cannot make videos anymore because Meta moved that feature to Vibes AI. By following these steps, you get a free, unlimited AI video generator that creates horizontal videos without a watermark and without spending a single credit. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel keep finding these helpful workflows for you. See you in the next one.